Assalamualaikum. So today my group want to present about our group project, which is car dealer. So firstly, I want to introduce my group members. First, Nur Shamira binti Mazin, Edin Lukman Haris bin Edion, Ahmad Amal bin Kamarudin, and me, Aina Amani binti Hatta. So firstly, I want to introduce about our group. Our project is about car dealer website. So our project is car dealer website that shows different types of cars to help user browse cars. The website helps user easily browse cars, read details and contact the dealer. So we use HTML to build the structure of the website and CSS to design and style it. So our main goal is to create a simple and user-friendly website that allows users to browse cars and calculate their monthly loan payment with ease and clarity. Next, objective. We have 3 objectives. First, to create a responsive and visually appealing website using HTML and CSS for showcasing available cars. Second, to provide an easy-to-use loan calculator that helps users estimate monthly payments and total loans amount. And lastly, to enhance user experience by simplifying the car selection and financing process through a clear and organized interface.
Okay, next, let's begin by looking at the core problem this application is trying to solve, which is problem statement. Many car buyers often face uncertainty when it comes to understanding how much they can borrow through a car loan. This uncertainty can cause confusion, especially for first-time buyers who are familiar with financing terms. Okay, next, additionally, they struggle to clearly estimate the total amount they will need to repay, making the car buying process overwhelming and unclear. And that's why our application is designed to help users gain better visibility and control over their car loan calculations, which is making the process more transparent and manageable. Okay, next, for this project, we use a few core tools and technologies to build the web application. Firstly, we use HTML to create the structure of the website, things like headings, buttons, and forms. Then we apply CSS to style the layout and make the interface more visually appealing, including things like colors, font, and alignment. All of our coding was done in Visual Studio Code or VS Code, which is a popular code editor that makes it easy to manage files and debug code. Finally, for the calculator feature, we use the simple loan formula that applies basic math operation to calculate monthly payments based on the user's input. This will allows users to quickly see how much they will need to pay without getting lost like in complex financial terms. Okay, next, our website includes a few key features designed to help users make better car buying decisions. First, we have car catalog, which is displays a list of available cars that users can browse through. It gives them a quick overview of the options they can consider. Next, when a user clicks on a specific car, they can view car details. This includes important information such as the price, model, and an image of the car to help them compare and decide. The most useful feature is the loan calculator. This tool helps users estimate their monthly loan payment based on the car price, loan term, and interest rate. It provides a quick and easy way to understand what they can afford before making a purchase. Overall, the goal of this um, feature is to simplify the car's buying process and make it more transparent for users.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. We present about the how the loan calculator works, which means that how we calculate the loan. So as we can see is the monthly payment formula where P is the loan amount, R is the monthly interest rate, and N is the number of months. So the formula is loan amount with time with monthly interest rate and time with 1 plus monthly interest rate the power of number of months. So the total of this will divide with 1 plus monthly interest rate the power of number of month minus 1. So it will calculate the total of the loan that the car that we want to buy. So to see the calculate, you can see on the system demonstration. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad. So now I will do the demonstration for our website. So this is our home page. Here we can go to our main function that is calculator. So this is the calculator page. We also have the car list page. Page with all of the car. One is for sedan and we can choose B and MPV, hatchback, and we also can show all of the car here. So we go back to the calculator and this is about the developer, which is my group members and our name and student ID. So we also have the URL that lead to a different website. So now I will explain the 8 golden rule of our website. So the first one, strive for consistency. The faces should have a consistent layout, styling, and behavior across all pages to help users feel familiar and confident. So we use the same text font and the same color theme for every page. The next rule, enable frequent users to use shortcut. So for this one, we provide this button and it will quickly select Civic car. And the next shortcut is click Control C. Yes, the color blind mode will turn on. The next rule is offer informative feedback. The system should provide clear and immediate feedback after every user action. So we do the calculation. Press calculate. After you click the calculate, the user sees a result panel showing the loan amount and monthly payment. For the next rule, design dialogues to yield closure. After completing a task, user should feel that the process has ended successfully. So when you select the car that you want and the interest rate, long term, and the down payment, click. When this pop up, it will show. It will say that the calculation is done. So next rule, prevent errors. So for this rule, if you interfaces should prevent problems before they happen through validation and restriction. So for this one, if you enter if the down payment is higher than the car price, the error message will pop up and say the down payment cannot exceed or equal car price. So next rule, permit easy reversal of action. So for this rule, we provide this reset button and it will reset all the data. So next rule, support internal locus of control. Users should feel they are in control of their actions, not being controlled by the system. For this rule, this one, so the user will freely choose whatever car they want, and they can feel the loan and the interest rate by their own. So the last rule, that is reduce short-term memory load. System should remember user choice, so user don't have to re-enter or remember everything. So here we already choose Odyssey, right? So when you go to the different page, right, the develop page, and you go back to the calculator page, uh, the previous car that you select will still maintain here.